everyone. Today I want to just introduce our new NURSAL massage cushion. This is a new brand and a new product. So let's take a look. So this is the box that it came in. Okay. All right, let's take a look to see what is inside. So inside the box, this is what we have. We have the actual massage cushion with the remote attached. We have the, of course, the operating guide here, the power cord, the AC adapter, and we also have a car adapter, which is pretty cool. Right here on the side, you can see this is where you connect the adapters. This one just goes inside the cigarette lighter of your car. All right, so let's take a look and see the individual functions of the actual chair. So now we have the cushion set up on a chair, and we're going to take a look at the functions on the remote. So just to introduce, up top here, these are the indicators, and they light up as you use it, so you know which area you're using exactly. Here in this area right here, this is for adjusting the neck. Then this area right here is for adjusting the back massage. Down here you have the seat massage, the heat, and the on and off button. So let's turn it on. And automatically you see the timer set for 15 minutes up at the top. And as it decreases in time, you'll see it go down to 10 and then 5 and then off. So let's see, let's show you the heat. So when you turn on the heat, you can see the red lights, and the neck also heats up as well. You just can't see it as well. This button here is the seat massage. So I'm going to put this paper on here to see if you can see it actually moving. You have 3 options for settings on the massage on the seat. Let's see. First one, low, medium, high, and then off. Okay. Next we'll move to the back massage. So you have your 3 options up here. You have your upper back, your full back, and your lower back. Okay. So let's start with the full. And right now you're on the first mode, and it shows you right up here. This is the kneading mode, and since you're on the full back, it's going to go all the way up and all the way down. Okay. So in this mode you cannot adjust. It's just the kneading goes up and down. Should you want to just stop and just do one spot, anywhere that you want, you just press the spot mode and it'll stay right there. So I'm going to turn that off. Okay, so back to the modes. So we're on that kneading mode, and it should be going up and down the whole back. Now it's going to go back down. Next mode is called the wave mode, and you can see it changes the directions a little bit. And this one you cannot adjust either. It just goes up and down in this action. Then the third mode is called the Shiatsu, and this one you can adjust. This one you can kind of move it exact spot that you might need as it's going up and down your back. Okay. All right, so back to the kneading mode. So if you wanted to do just the upper back, it's going to move its way up and it'll just stay up there at the upper area. Okay. And then same with the lower. If you were choosing the lower, it's going to move on down. All right. So moving on to the neck. So the middle button here says neck kneading. You just hit that. So what happens is it starts to spin or rotate up there. If you hit it again, it will change the direction of the rotation. If you want the position to be a little higher, you just hit the up button. And then if you need it to be lower, you just hit the down button. Okay, and then one more turns it off. If you want, you don't have to do the back massage at the same time. You can just do the neck. And then lastly, right here, you can see there's a zipper around this edge, so you could actually take this off to clean it. And the heat part, just to let you know, it doesn't ever heat up to a point where it feels burning. It's just a nice warmth. And like I said before, it just is a 15-minute massage. It'll turn off automatically, but you could do it again by turning it on. Turning off the machine, you'll notice that the lights go off and it automatically will bring the massagers all the way down to the bottom. Okay, you can watch it go down, and then it will just automatically stop. And there you go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.